Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, especially in this case, a pretty logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and consider that at one point after the gap down, the price actually got all the way down there. However, by the time the closing bell came around, the price managed to work its way back upwards. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question next week of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $1.70 mark. Why is $1.70 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, sorry about that. My kid walked in and distracted me. With that in mind, think about $1.70. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price breaks to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to go down there, but in this situation, behave like that, and then begin to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these sets of lows right there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once more, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $1.70. Now, as far as resistance levels are concerned, if this bounce is going to continue, key one, and this comes from Thursday's price action right up there at $1.82. I mean, you can see that on Thursday, a whole bunch of times price tried to get back above that level and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be that initial hurdle on Monday, and really I guess whenever next week. If the price can push through there, the next key overall area of resistance up there at about $1.88. So no doubt about it, the price has started to bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.